Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I am here with some another awesome video about some couponing deals. We got some really good coupons today, our inserts, and available to print. So you need to totally get out there and get them right now. So this is about free laundry detergent over at Walmart. I know you can also get this deal at Walgreens. I want to say CVS and possibly Rite Aid. I think it's at Rite Aid as well. So really cheap. You can get this for free pretty much anywhere right now except for Kroger. So any of those stores, really good deals. So let me just break it down for you. The Persil detergent is $5.24 at Walmart. We got a $3 off coupon in the 610 Retail Me Not. If you don't get the inserts, you can print a $2 off coupon that I'll have linked in the comments below. So you'll pay as low as $2.24. And Savings Star is giving back $2, so that makes it 24 cents. But then Ibotta has 25 cents on any laundry detergent or any item. So you just have 25 cents back for any item. It's just a freebie. However, if you have the 25 cents back on the laundry detergent, you can stack the rebate and you can get these for like a 24 cent, 26 cent moneymaker for some laundry detergent. So really great deal. I hope this is made simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.